Good morning students, this is Suresh, Maths faculty from DAV High School, STSTPS, AP Genco, Nail Tour. In this video, we are going to discuss introduction of coordinate geometry, Cartesian plane, exercise 5.1 and 5.2 problems related to paper 2, chapter 5, coordinate geometry. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the concept of coordinate geometry, explain the Cartesian system, measures the perpendicular distance of a point from coordinate axis, plot a point in a plane if its coordinates are known. What is coordinate geometry? A system of geometry where the position of points on the plane is described using an ordered pair of numbers, or the representation of a point on a plane with the idea of two references led to development of new branch of mathematics known as coordinate geometry. René Descartes, a French mathematician and philosopher, has developed the study of coordinate geometry. He found an association between algebraic equations and geometric curves and figures. Why do we need coordinate geometry? First, in maps and navigations, in digital devices like computers, mobile phones, etc., to locate the position of cursor or finger, to map geographically locations using latitudes and longitudes, in aviation to determine the position and location of airplane accurately. Let us start exercise 5.1. First time, in a locality there is a main road along north-south direction. The map is given below. With the help of the picture, answer the following questions. First question, what is the third object on the left side in street number 3? Answer is water tank. Second question, find the name of the second house which is in the right side of street 2. Answer is Mr. J house. Third question, locate the position of Mr. K's house. Answer is in street 2, last house on the right side while going in east direction. Fourth question, how do you describe the position of the post office? Answer is in street 4, first building on right side while going in east direction. Fifth question, how do you describe the location of the hospital? Answer is in street 4, the last building on left side while going in east direction. This is first question answers. Introduction to the Cartesian plane. Terms used in Cartesian plane. Number line. A number line is a straight line on which integers are marked as evenly spaced points. Horizon. A number line divided into two symmetrical arcs by a fixed point called horizon. That is the number 0. Coordinate plane. It is a two-dimensional plane in which every point is defined with exactly one number and vice versa. It is also known as the XY plane. Coordinate axis. The X and Y axis in both positive and negative directions are collectively called coordinate axis. Cartesian system. A Cartesian coordinate system, also known as rectangular coordinate system, can be used to plot points and graph lines. The x coordinate is also called the abscissa. The y coordinate is also called the ordinate. The intersection point of x-axis and y-axis is called horizon and is where both x and y are 0. We take horizon as a reference point to locate other points in a plane. An algebraic expression which we show on the graph of the Cartesian plane where the position of the points on the plane is defined with the help of an ordered pairs of numbers, also known as coordinates. We can observe that the axis divides the plane into four parts. These four parts are called the quadrants and are denoted by Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 in anti-clockwise direction. The plane here is called the Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or XY plane. The axes are called the coordinate axes. In the first quadrant, x and y are both positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, x and y are both negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. Let us discuss some examples about plotting of point in coordinate plane. Example 1. Plot a point A minus 4, 6 on coordinate plane. Step 1. To plot a point A in the coordinate plane, draw the coordinate axis such as 1 cm is equal to 1 unit on both axes. Step 2. Starting from horizon, count 4 units on negative x-axis -4 and mark the point as M. Step 3. Starting from horizon, count 6 units on positive y-axis 6 and mark the point as N. Step 4. Starting from M, count 6 units in the positive direction of y-axis and starting from N, count 4 units in the negative direction of x-axis. Mark the meeting point of two lines as A. This A is represent position of -4, 6 on a coordinate plane. Next example, finding the coordinates point A. Solution. Step 1. X coordinate of a point A -3 is its perpendicular distance from y-axis measured along x-axis as shown. Step 2. Y coordinate of a point A 5 is its perpendicular distance from x-axis measured along y-axis as shown. Step 3. Enclose the coordinates in brackets, writing the x-coordinate first followed by y-coordinate. Thus, the coordinates of point A are -3, 5. Here -3 is called abscissa and 5 is called ordinate. Locate a point 3, 2 on the plane. Observe here, already I indicate 3, 2 on the plane. It is belongs to first quadrant because 3 and 2 are both positive. Yes. Next example, locate a point 3, -2 on the plane. Here already I indicate 3, -2 on the plane. It is belongs to fourth quadrant since 3 is a positive and -2 is a negative integer. Now we will start exercise 5.2 problems. First question, write the quadrant in which the following points lie. First question, -2, 3. Answer is it belongs to second quadrant because -2 is a negative and 3 is a positive. So it is belongs to quadrant 2. Second question, 5, -3. It is belongs to quadrant 4 because 5 is positive and -3 is negative. Third question, 4, 2. It is belongs to quadrant 1 because 4 and 2 are both positives. Fourth question, -7, -6. Solution, it is belongs to quadrant 3 because x and y are both negative. Fifth question, 0, 8. Solution, 0, 8 lies on y-axis because x value is 0. Sixth question, 3, 0. Solution, 3, 0 lies on x-axis because y value is 0. Seventh question, -4, 0. Solution, -4, 0 lies on x-axis because y value is 0. Eighth question, 0 comma minus 6. Solution, 0 comma minus 6 lies on y-axis because x value is 0. Next to second question. Write the abscissa and ordinates of the following points. First question, 4 comma minus 8. Abscissa is 4, ordinate is minus 8. Second question, minus 5 comma 3. Abscissa is minus 5, ordinate is 3. Third question, 0 comma 0. Abscissa is 0, ordinate is 0. Fourth question, 5 comma 0. Abscissa is 5, ordinate is 0. Fifth question, 0 comma minus 8. Abscissa is 0, ordinate is minus 8. From this question onwards, we understood in the point to first number, it is indicate x coordinate. X coordinate is called abscissa. And the second number, it is belongs to y coordinate. Y coordinate is called ordinate. Next, third question. Which of the following points lie on the axis? And also name the axis. Observe the given points in third question. Minus comma minus 8 and 4 comma minus 2 does not belongs to any axis, since either x or y should be 0. But here 0 should not contain in the first question and third question. Now go to second question. 0 comma 13. It is lies on y axis since x coordinate is 0. Minus 2 comma 0. It is lies on x axis since its y coordinate is 0. Fifth question, 0 comma minus 8 lies on y axis since x coordinate is 0. 7 comma 0 lies on x axis since y coordinate is 0. 0 comma 0 lies on both x and y axis since both coordinates are 0. Next question, fourth one. Write the following based on the graph. First question, the ordinate of L. Answer is minus 7 because y coordinate is called ordinate. Second question, the ordinate of Q. Solution, 7 is ordinate since y coordinate. Third question, the point denoted by minus 2 comma minus 2. Answer is R. Fourth question, the point denoted by 5 comma minus 4. Answer is point P. Fifth question, the abscissa of N. Answer is 4. Sixth question, the abscissa of M. Answer is minus 3 since x coordinate is called abscissa. This is fourth question answers. Next to fifth question, state true or false and write correct statement. First question, in the Cartesian plane, the horizontal line is called y-axis. Solution, first question is false because in a Cartesian plane, the horizontal line is called x-axis. Second question, in the Cartesian plane, the vertical line is called y-axis. Answer is true. Third question, the point which lies on both axes is called horizon. Answer is true. The intersection of both axes is called horizon. Fourth question, the point 2 comma minus 3 lies in the third quadrant. Answer is false because 2 is greater than 0 and minus 3 is less than 0. So 2 comma minus 3 belongs to fourth quadrant. Fifth question, minus 5 comma minus 8 lies in the fourth quadrant. Solution, false statement because minus 5 is less than 0, also less than 0. So minus 5 comma minus 8 belongs to third quadrant. Sixth question, the point minus 6 comma minus 5 lies in the first quadrant where x less than 0 and y less than 0. Solution, true because x less than 0 and y less than 0, then minus x greater than 0, minus y greater than 0. So minus x comma minus y belongs to quadrant 1. Last question of this exercise. Sixth question, plot the following order pairs on a graph sheet. What do you observe? Dear children, this question do in graph book. First question, 1 comma 0 comma 3 comma 0 comma minus 2 comma 0 comma minus 5 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 5 comma 0 comma minus 6 comma 0. Solution, first you have to draw the horizontal line is called x-axis and draw the vertical line y-axis. Next, decide the scale. On x-axis is equal to 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Like that, indicate the numbers on x-axis and y-axis. Next step, indicate the points on the plane. We observe every order pair y value is 0. So this all values lies on x-axis. Second question, 0 comma 1 0 comma 3 0 comma minus 2 0 comma minus 5 0 comma 0 0 comma 5 and 0 comma minus 6. After indicate the points, we observe that every order pair the x value is 0. So these all points lies on y-axis. Dear children, today home assignment is copy exercise 5.1 and 5.2 problems in paper 2 book and read one time concept. Thank you.